The Igbo Calendar, Ògụ àfọ Igbo, the 13 moons in Igbo cosmology. In Igbo cosmology, the lunar calendar is divided into 13 moons. Each has its own unique significance and energy. These moons guide the spiritual and communal life of Igbo, connecting us to the ancestors, the elements, and the divine forces that govern the universe. The Igbo calendar is based on lunar events and activities, which have been effective since time immemorial. The calendar gives Igbo people a unique way of reckoning time, as opposed to the linear dimension of Euro-American time under the Gregorian calendar, which only went into effect as of October 1582, following an order issued by Pope Gregory XIII. The Igbo lunar calendar, known as Ògụ àfọ or Ògụ àrọ Igbo, is based on the cycle of moon, Ọnwa, where each complete cycle makes up a month. Each moon consists of at least 28 days, and a total of 13 moons, which make a complete year, Aro. In Igbo cosmology, the 13 moons serve as the foundation of the lunar calendar. However, it is important to note that the titles of the moons, which we will highlight in this section, originate from the Nri traditional system. They may vary across Igbo communities, reflecting other local dialects and reverential titles. This differences in the names and titles which one can come across in Igbo land underscores the diverse cultural and spiritual context that exists in Igbo societies. Regardless, in each Igbo community, each new moon marks a new season and an opportunity for reflection and veneration rituals to the relevant energies. It is important to also note that not all Igbo communities observe the same festivities during each moon, as each group adheres to their own omenala or traditional cultural beliefs, which may differ from those of neighboring communities. Igbo na-asụ n'ọnụ n'ọnụ, mana anyị bụ ofu. Igbos might speak in different tongues or dialects, but we are one people. These are the 13 moons in Igbo lunar calendar based on the Nri traditional system and their cosmic significances. Number 1. Ọnwa Mbụ, the first month of the Igbo lunar year. Ọnwa Mbụ is a period of deep reflection on one's essence and connection to cosmic intelligence. N'atụ, or Atunne Nwanyi Chukwu. This time is marked by a realignment with the creative and transformative powers of the universe. It is traditionally a period when dibias, priests, offer sacrifices such as cows to Allah, or Ani, or Ana, the earth goddess, seeking her blessings for land purification and a prosperous harvest as the community begins planting seed yams and other vital crops. The purpose of the sacrifice offered is also to usher in the new year, chase away misfortune or blockages, and seek blessings of cosmic forces on the affairs of everyone. The number 1 symbolizes new beginnings, unity, and the potential to manifest our thoughts into reality. Ọnwa Abụo, the second month. Ọnwa Abụo invites us to reflect on the principles of duality, acknowledging the connection between the spiritual and physical realms. As children of divine masculine and feminine, Ụmụ Chi na-eke, this month is a call to action, encouraging movement from introspection to tangible steps towards achieving personal and communal goals. The number 2 underscores the theme of partnership, balance, and the dynamic interplay between both seen and unseen forces. Ife kwulu, ife akwudebe ya. Ọnwa Ife Eke, the third moon. Ọnwa Ife Eke focuses on the energies of Ikenga, willpower and strength. It reverences the cosmic light Eke and vital life Anyanwụ that sustains our world. This is a month to reflect on the Igbo source of creativity and action, the force that enables each person to execute all they have set their heart on. This is a time for energizing creative endeavors and reinforcing the resolve to accomplish set objectives. The number 3 represents creativity, communication, and the integration of mind, body, and spirit to guide us all to activate our inner life force to achieve harmony and balance within our respective lives. Number 4, Ọnwa Anọ, the 4th month. Ọnwa Anọ embodies the foundational principle of Igbo cosmology. It is a reminder that the 4 market days, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, and the 4 elements, fire, water, earth, and air, work together to create the essence of existence and nourish human life. The number 4 signifies stability, foundation, and balance. It reflects the Igbo worldview of interconnectedness and the harmony required to sustain life. It serves as a time to reflect on those things that form the foundational basis of our lives. Number 5, Ọnwa Agwu. This is a time for active veneration and spiritual reawakening. The 5th month is dedicated to Agwu, the spirit of divination and spiritual insight. This period is marked by rituals and festivities to honor Nechukwu, the mother of the universe, and Neagwu, the bestower of all spiritual gifts. The number 5 stands for Ise. It symbolizes manifestation, change, freedom, and the activation of inner power. It is a time to awaken spiritual gifts and connect deeply with the divine feminine energy that impacts all forms of spiritual power. This month is also a good time for masquerade initiations into communal secret societies and Iluagwu rites, emphasizing spiritual transformation and enlightenment. Number 6, Ọnwa Ifejiọkụ. This is a time for celebration of the harvest in all forms. The 6th month, Ọnwa Ifejiọkụ, is a time for thanksgiving and celebration for harvest. It is dedicated to Ifejiọkụ, the deity of yams, agriculture, and profitable yields. The number 6 represents harmony, balance, and nurturing. This month is significant for offering gratitude to the earth and the spirits for their blessings to ensure continued prosperity and abundance. Number 7, Ọnwa Alọm Chi. This is a time for honoring the ancestors and life force in all things. In the 7th month, the focus shifts to veneration of one's chi, personal life force, and honoring the ancestors. Ọnwa Alọm Chi is a time for reflection on one's origins and spiritual journey. The number 7 is associated with introspection, spiritual awakening, and enlightenment. Offerings are made to the ancestors and spiritual guides, acknowledging their guidance and support in the physical and spiritual realms. Number 8, Ọnwa Ilo Mmụọ, a time for deep learning and understanding. The 8th month, Ọnwa Ilo Mmụọ, is a period for deep learning and gaining deep insights. The number 8 symbolizes infinity, balance, prosperity in all aspects, and cosmic order. It is a time to remember who you are and reawaken your spiritual path, a time to reflect on the things that make us prosperous. This month is a time to also reflect on those things that affect us internally, spiritually, and how they consequently influence our external realities. Number 9, Ọnwa Ana or Ọnwa Ani. This is a time to prioritize connection to the earth. The 9th month is dedicated to Ani, the earth goddess. Ani is the mother of all living things and the guardian of morality and justice. The number 9 represents completion, wisdom, mysteries, and universal truth. This month encourages everyone to connect deeply with the earth, respect its resources, and uphold moral and ethical standards. It also encourages us to reflect on and be open to impossibilities as well as life-changing events. Number 10. Ọnwa Okike. The 10th month, Ọnwa Okike, is centered around the principles of creation and polarity. It celebrates the creative force that gives birth to all things and the balance between masculine and feminine energies. The number 10 signifies wholeness, divine order, and new beginnings. This month is about recognizing and reflecting on our beginnings. It takes us back to our resolve from the first month to stay united and continue to work towards manifesting our thoughts or ideas into reality. It also serves as a reminder that we are all co-creators of the universe, and we can all create the realities we want to see in life. Number 11. Ọnwa Ájá Áná. The 11th month focuses on cleansing and purification. Ọnwa Ájá Áná involves rituals to cleanse the body, mind, and spirit, preparing for new growth. The number 11 is a master number associated with intuition, insight, and spiritual enlightenment. This period is essential for releasing negative energies and rejuvenating the spirit. It also takes us back to the message of the second month to strive towards balance and harmony in our lives as children of Chineke. Number 12. Ọnwa Ede Ajana. The 12th month, Ọnwa Ede Ajana, is a time for renewal and preparation for the new year. The number 12 symbolizes completeness and cosmic order. This month involves reflecting on the past year, making necessary adjustments, and setting intentions for the future. It is a period of spiritual and physical renewal. This month also takes us back to the energy of the third month, to stand firm in the strength of the will, to continue to create and work on the strength of our mind, body, and spirit, to guide us to our destined paths. Number 13. Ọnwa Árushi, or Ọnwa Alusi. The 13th month, Ọnwa Alusi, is dedicated to reflection and realignment. Known as the month of Alokwusi, a time to put an end to all destructive things or habits. It focuses on avoiding evil and maintaining spiritual integrity. The number 13 is usually associated with transformation and renewal. This month also emphasizes the principles we are encouraged to uphold in the 4th month of stability and balance. This month encourages us to follow the ways of Odinani, traditional Igbo beliefs and knowledge systems, to uphold moral law and realign one's spiritual path. It is a time for rebuilding character and seeking peace, unity, and balance. Key points to remember about the Igbo lunar calendar. 13 moons. The Igbo lunar calendar consists of 13 months, each aligned with the cycles of the moon. 4 market days. Each month is based on the 4 market days, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, forming the foundation of the Igbo cosmological and cultural structure. Elemental associations. The market days correspond to the 4 elements, Eke, fire, Orie, water, Afọ, earth, and Nkwọ, air. Numerology significance. Each month has a corresponding numerological meaning that influences its spiritual and cultural activities. Sundown start. A new market day begins at sundown, aligning with natural cycles and transitions. Cultural practices. Important rituals, offerings, and prayers like Igbo Mmụọ are performed in alignment with the lunar phases and market days. Spiritual connection. Each month provides an opportunity to connect deeply with specific energies, ancestors, and spiritual practices to ensure continuous guidance and connection to Igbo cosmology. Seasonal cycles. The Igbo calendar aligns with agricultural cycles, which influence planting, harvesting, and other crucial activities. Community and tradition. The Igbo lunar calendar plays a vital role in maintaining cultural traditions, community cohesion, and spiritual practices across generations. In Igbo culture, Ọnwa refers to the moon and denotes the monthly cycle. A week, known as Izu, spans 7 Igbo weeks or Izu Asa. The term Ubochi signifies a day, and there are 4 market days, Eke, Orie, Afọ, and Nkwo, each associated with one of the 4 cardinal directions. Eke with the east, Ọwụwa Anyanwụ, Orie with the north, Afọ with the south, and Nkwo with the east, Ọdịda Anyanwụ. Children are usually given generic names after the market days on which they were born. For instance, like we mentioned already, one might easily come across names like Mbeke, Nweke, Mborie, Okorie, Okafọ, Nwankwo, Okonkwo, and so on. Each month in the Igbo lunar calendar is an opportunity to connect with specific energies and reflect on different aspects of life and spirituality. Odinani practitioners can maintain a deep connection to Igbo cosmology and cultural heritage by understanding and honoring the value that these months promote or remind us of. This continuous cycle of reverence and reflection under the moon cycle ensures that everyone remains guided and connected to their spirituality and the divine forces that shape each person's existence. The cultural and spiritual significance of the 4 market days. The 4 market days are deeply embedded in the cultural and spiritual fabric of Igbo society. Rituals and festivals. Many traditional rituals and festivals are aligned with specific market days to harness their elemental energies. Economic activities. Market days are crucial makers for trade and commerce in Igbo culture, with each day influencing the type of goods traded and the nature of transactions that occur in each community. Personal and community life. From naming ceremonies to weddings, the choice of market day can significantly impact the perceived auspiciousness of events. The 4 Igbo market days, Eke, Orie, Afọ, and Nkwo, are a reflection of the Igbo cosmological and spiritual worldview. Each day, associated with a specific element and energy, governs various aspects of life, from personal endeavors to community activities. Understanding these days and their significance provides deeper insights into the rich cultural heritage of Ndi Igbo and our harmonious relationship with the natural and spiritual worlds.